Hey there, it's Creative Sarah, and I am going to show you how to turn a piece of cool artwork into double-sided artwork. I have an autumn piece here, and I'm going to put Halloween on the other side. That way, after Halloween, I can flip this around and just use the plain old autumn. So I'm going to go ahead and wax. This is a 6x18 double-sided box frame. I'm going to go ahead and just wax the surface, and then I'm going to use my Happy Halloween. This comes from the Beware and Happy Halloween transfer set. I'm going to go ahead and fuzz it using the fuzzing cloth, and then I'm going to place it onto my waxed surface. And then I will pull out, I'm just going to fit it under, see, I have some embellishments on the other side already, so I just need to fit it under the little string that's wrapped around there. It's going to be super cool. So I'm going to use some black velvet chalk paste. Very simple. This is a really awesome neutral piece that I'm creating. And I'm going to just use that black velvet chalk paste and just kind of transfer, squeegee over the whole thing. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Looks really awesome. I'm going to pull that out there. Next, I'm going to dry it. Make sure to get the whole thing completely dry before you do anything else. Okay, now I'm going to put some feet on here, you guys, as if I didn't already have a really cool piece. I'm going to take 2 little baby candlesticks, spray them with water, and get them painted with black chalk paste, the same black velvet that I used to do the silk screen transfer. If you are just checking out my channel for the first time, go ahead and comment VIP so that I can send you a welcome message and a link to join my free crafting group, CreativeSarah's VIP Cafe. Okay, now I did sand those a little bit. Now I'm gonna just glue them to the bottom. And I just have some little feet. Look how cute. Hello, Autumn, and Happy Halloween. Now I need a little bit of embellishment. So I've put together some cool ribbons and beads that I'm going to attach to the string that is already there. So after I line them up, I'm going to go ahead and take my cable tie here and zip it around my zip tie. And then I'm going to use some baker's twine to attach it all together and a little hot glue to tack it in place. It's pretty quick, pretty easy, and I have this really awesome double-sided decor piece. Keep following me for more information and check out CreativeSarah.com when you get a chance. Thanks for watching. Bye now.